Hello friends, welcome to Developers Tube channel. Today I want to say that I have created a new playlist. Name of the playlist is C# Delegates. In this playlist, I have explained about the delegates from the start to the end, means from the start topics to the advanced. In the starting topics, I have explained about the delegate, what are the delegate, how to declare the delegate, what are the syntax for declaring a delegate, and after that I have explained how to pass a method as a parameter to the another method using the delegate, what how to create the publisher and subscriber model in delegates, what are the inbuilt delegates, and what are the difference between the delegates and events. I have also explained creating the publisher and subscriber model using the delegates and the events, and what is the difference in between the two. So for understanding the delegate from the start to the advanced level, I want to say that please watch my playlist from the start to the end and please subscribe to my channel. This will increase your knowledge and also clear your concept about the delegate. So this is all for today. Thank you and keep watching the videos present in this playlist. Bye. Thank you.